Hi, I'm Freda Hartman, and I am the chair of the International Best of Regions Excellence Award. I'd like to tell you a little bit about the award and to explain how it began, why it's important, and how you can be part of the award for next year. The International Best of Regions Excellence Award came about 3 years ago. You know, we've had the Best of Regions presentations for a number of years at the regional meetings, and each time in each region there would be one presentation selected by the regional members in attendance to be the best of their region for that year. We didn't have a recognition at the annual conference for that particular award, so what we tried to do was to develop the equivalent of a Teaching Excellence Award, except this was going to be focused on the Best of Regions presentations. It came to be called the International Best of Regions Excellence Award, and it was developed by a group of ex-regional presidents with a diverse background. We, over the years, have, and it's been in effect for about 3 years, have tried to continue to improve it. And what happens with the award is that every year in each region there is a Best of Regions award recipient that is identified, and then we invite them to present their session at our annual conference. When they present their session at our annual conference, we have judges who attend the session and they evaluate the session based upon the Best of Regions rubric, which is also used at the regional level. What they're looking for is that the presentation really matches with the 3 major categories on the rubric, and that it represents excellence in these areas. One category covers areas such as conference theme and how important and aligned the presentation was with the conference theme, how well it reflected the conference theme. Also, how value added was the presentation, and how much interest would the presentation be to the membership. So those 3 were the primary determinants of quality. Then we had secondary determinants of quality on the rubric. Those secondary determinants had to do with basically the scholarship quality in the presentation and the organizational and communication aspects. And then the 3rd category we look at is the actual presentation dynamic, whether the audience is engaged and to the extent that they are engaged, how they are engaged, are they excited about the subject based upon the presentation, do they interact with the presenter, is that something that the presenter can really draw the audience out on. So based upon the judge's evaluation on those criteria, we identify one presentation that was the best of its region, that is the highest scoring presentation using that very same rubric at the annual conference, and that presentation becomes the International Best of Regions Award of Excellence for us. So it's an exciting opportunity for the regions to have representation at the global level now for the presentations that they identify and honor at their regions. It's an opportunity to showcase the talent that we have across the ACBSP system of regions, of all the members that participate in all the presentations that do occur. And it really is a symbol of the quality of what we have going on in our regions that really reflects the interests and work of the members and the conference theme. And that conference theme changes every year. But we're very excited about the award, and it has been growing. The competition is fierce. It's a very strong and competitive group. We want to encourage everyone to submit, and the first thing, if you're interested in being part of this International Best of Regions selection process next year, which means that you will be one of those Best of Regions presentations, then what you would do is you would start at your regional meeting Submit a proposal there. If it is accepted for presentation, then you will be on the agenda to present your work. And if your work and your presentation are selected as the best of your region, then you will be invited to come to the annual conference and do that exact same presentation here in the competition, which is the International Best of Regions Excellence Award. So, starting with your regional meeting, reaching out to your regional officers to share with them that you're interested. Please look at the rubric that we use for judging, both at the regional and the international levels. It's the same rubric. And be familiar with the criteria that are used to judge each award. That way you'll know how to structure your presentation. I want to encourage you to be involved. It's an exciting program. It makes a huge difference. It's an opportunity for you to showcase your work. And we really invite you to be part of next year's International Best of Regions Excellence Award program. Thank you.